Hello, my name is D.Beaton, and this is my Math 108 Lesson 10 presentation um, for simple, compound, and continuous interest. This is my first slide and my reference sheet with my formulas on it. There's the formula for simple interest. There's my formula for compound interest. And also the PERT formula for continuous compound interest. So I'm going to go on to the first problem. If $2,500 is deposited into a new account that earns 2% interest compounded quarterly, and there are no other deposits or withdrawals, how much interest is earned after 15 years? So I wrote my equation or my formula up here, and $2,500 is the original amount deposited. 2% interest is the rate. It's compounded quarterly, which is 4 times a year. And then also you have to multiply, and it's over 15 years. It asks you how much interest is earned over 15 years. It's a 15-year period. So 4 times a year for 15 years. And then this inside the parentheses is what is being done over the period of a year. That's why you have the 1 there. So when you do the math right here, and I like to write this out like this so that, because I'm still early on in this process of learning how to do compound interest. So it reminds me that, I'm multiplying how many years by how many times a year. I know this is 60. So when you do this math, you come out with the number $3,372.13. In order to get the amount of interest earned after 15 years, you have to subtract the original amount put into the account from the final amount in the account. And that comes out to $872.13 interest that you'll earn over 15 years. So the next question is, Jack is a realtor, is question F. Jack is a realtor. He earns 3% commission on a sale price of each home he sells. He recently sold a home with the sales price of $160,000. He invested his earnings in a new account that earns 1.5% interest compounded annually. Assuming there is no other deposits or withdrawals, how much interest will he earn after 20 years? So the first thing you need to do is find out what was Jack's 3% commission. And that's just finding simple interest, which would be the principal times the rate, since there is no time. So that's 160,000 times 3%, which turned into a decimal makes that 0.03. And that means that Jack's commission is $48,000. So then you can look for the compound interest that he earned in his when he placed the money in the account. And here's the formula for that. It's the formula for compound interest. $4,800 is the principal. The rate is 1.5%, which turned into a decimal, that would be 0.015. It's compounded annually, which means it would be divided by 1, and then it's multiplied by 20 years. And you would come up with $6,464.90 total. So, and again, if you want to find out how much interest was earned after 20 years, you'll have to subtract the original amount in the account from the ending amount in the account. And if you do that, you'll come up with $1,664.90. So that's it for questions A and F. I'll make another video for I think it's I and L I'm going to be doing. Thank you.